Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix fast charging not working on your TCL 60 SE NXTpaper. So let's start off by checking the cable and the charger for either damage or compatibility between it and the device. So I do not have the original charger right now, but here we have the charger. As you guys can see, it says Huawei Supercharge, so it should charge fast. Now we need to check the cable. I cannot pull the cable right now, but you guys need to see it. It may be the issue of the cleaning port too, so you guys can easily clean it with a non-metallic tool. So remember to use something soft, like let's say a brush. That might be okay. Now what you guys can also try is updating your software to fix charging glitches. It happens a lot in the newest versions. So first unlock your phone. Now here you go to settings, scroll a bit down until you guys see the system, and here click system update. As you guys can see, my system is up to date, so I'm running the latest version. I recommend you guys to do the same, because when you are updating your software, you can fix a lot of glitches, including the charging ones, as I said before. So this is a good way to test that. And last but not least, we can easily change the charging settings. So head over to Smart Manager. Now click battery, and here go to battery health. Now here we can change to general protection, mild protection, or medium protection. And here we can disable or enable the intelligent charging mode. Basically, when you feel like your fast charging is not working, then try disabling it for once. Because when the power exceeds 80%, then basically it will resume charging slower. So disable it and see if it works better. So that be it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. Bye.